Hello everyone, today we will demonstrate how to connect the two batteries and two inverters. Each inverter connected to its own battery and linked with BMS communication. First, let's connect the battery A and the inverter A. Make sure that this is positive side from battery to the inverter's DC side, positive. And we just finished the connection of the positive. Now is the negative. Okay, this inverter's negative is also the same. Make sure these terminals tight and secure. And now let's set up the BMS communication, and we are using CAN communication, which in this place. Look, this port, and here click, same as the also click. With this, each inverter can communicate with its own battery, and the final step is parallel communication between the two inverters. Connect the parallel A here. Parallel A from inverter A to parallel B, inverter B. And don't forget this. And the final step is that this is a push-in terminal, and connect the high level terminal from inverter A, this place, to here, to the inverter B. This is also a high level terminal. Let's go. Push and insert this line. This one. This. Push, insert, release. Okay, then the inverter A's part is finished. Let's go ahead. High to high, low to low. Okay, now basically connection is finished. For this side, don't forget to check the user menu. Don't forget to pair the grid and the load side. Okay, now all connections are complete. Thank you for your watching. See you next time.